Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Network and Sharing Center. This gives you direct access to adapters and reset tools. Once open, click Change Adapter Settings on the left and identify the adapter you want to reset. Make sure you are signed in as an administrator, because you will run commands and may need privileges. If you use a static IP or custom DNS, jot those values down now. Otherwise, you could lose connectivity settings you rely on. Next, run the resets from an elevated command prompt so changes apply globally. Type netch winsock reset to clear socket catalog issues, then netch int IP reset to rebuild TCP/IP stack. These reset settings that often cause network failures. After that, run ipconfig/release then ipconfig/renew to obtain a fresh IP lease, and ipconfig/flushdins to clear stale DNS entries. Make sure each command reports success. If prompts ask to reboot, do so to finalize the changes. Finally, restart your PC to apply all network resets and then verify connectivity in the Network and Sharing Center. You should see the correct network status. If you remain offline, open Device Manager and inspect the network adapter. Update or roll back the driver, because drivers often cause failures. If problems persist, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test for blocking. Once you identify the cause, re-enable protections and adjust rules. If needed, repeat one specific command rather than all resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.